Matthew Ladd here. This week I want to show you this great option from factory that we have for yarding dollies. It's a Pintle hook with security loops and even options to put your glad hands and your 7-way mounted on the lighting bracket. This is important if you have a yarding dolly or a Jeep dolly. Everyone calls different things, but what it does is when you're pulling combination trailers, which is two 53-foot trailers at the same time, you have a Jeep dolly that connects the two trailers together. Well, to unhook and to connect these trailers together, you need this option. And why pay more money to get it installed locally when you can get it directly from Kenworth factory? That's why I put the sales code in the description so you can talk to your Kenworth sales rep about it more. But it's a great option that you can add. Clean looking, directly from Kenworth factory. Amazing if you have a Jeep dolly type application. That's Group Kenworth Montreal TNT, Trucksntips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.